Hi everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you what to do if the Razer Synapse failed to install in Windows 11. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to run the Razer Synapse installer as an administrator. Now, if you have the installer already on your PC, for example on your desktop, just right-click the installer and then simply select the Run as Administrator option. This should give the installer high priorities so you can install it without any problems. Another useful solution is to close the Razer background processes. To do this, right-click the Windows button, then select Task Manager from the list of options. In here, just look for any Razer processes listed under background processes, so you can right-click any Razer processes you find and then simply select the End Task option listed. This will close the Razer process and then you can reopen the installer. Now check if the problem still persists. Another useful solution is to install the .NET Framework 4.8. For this you need a browser, and you also need to access the link that I posted in the description below. So now that we are here on this webpage that you just accessed from the description below, just click on the Download .NET Framework 4.8 Runtime under the Runtime section. Now just save the installer on your desktop, for example, and then minimize the browser, and then simply double-click on the installer for the .NET Framework. In my case, I already have the .NET Framework 4.8 installed, but you can just press on the Continue button and follow the on-screen instructions to install this software. Now you can also check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to uninstall Razer device drivers before installing the Razer Synapse software. To do this, right-click the Windows button and simply select Device Manager from the list of options. Now you just have to find the category in which your Razer device is included and simply expand it. In my case, I don't have any Razer device, but the procedure is similar to what I'm gonna show you. So I will just use an example. So I just expanded the sound, video and game controllers and then right-click the problematic device and select the Uninstall Device option. Now just tick the box next to attempt to remove the driver for this device and then lastly confirm by pressing on the Uninstall button. Now you can just try installing the Razer Synapse software and then you can plug your Razer devices back into the PC to reinstall the drivers. And that's it, plenty of solutions to consider. As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.